Become the man of her dreams. In a world where love often feels like a wild ride, what abilities set apart mature men who win over women's hearts? It isn't just about having a great body or a lot of money. It's about something much deeper and lasting: stoicism. This old way of thinking, followed by many wise men throughout time, teaches how to handle life's ups and downs with peace and dignity. Explore how these 7 qualities of grown men, based on stoicism, can deeply and truly charm women. Let's dive right in with the first tip. 1. A man with restraint. At life's important decision points, a grown man stands as a symbol of steadiness. His self-discipline is more than just hiding his feelings. It's a skilled ability to steer through life's rough moments with a calm mind and a peaceful heart. While others may get swept up in feelings of worry or anger, he stays unaffected, like a rock in a storm. It's not only about staying calm during tough times, but also about developing a peace inside that shines outwards. This trait is very appealing to women who see him as a reliable place where they can feel safe and comforted when they need it. His capability to manage his emotions and actions reflects a deep maturity and strength that is visible beyond just looks, gaining the respect and admiration of those around him. In his company, they feel safe and cared for, confident that they have someone who can smoothly navigate through the difficulties of life. 2. Being an understanding man. In the complex fabric of life, a grown man skillfully incorporates understanding and emotional bonds. His ability to see things from someone else's perspective is not merely polite, but a deep expression of his human nature. When his partner shares their happiness and sadness, he doesn't just hear them, he listens with a receptive heart. He fully engages with their feelings, experiencing their pain as his own and rejoicing in their successes with true happiness. This empathy doesn't just deepen their connection, but also creates a welcoming space for openness and mutual understanding. Women feel recognized and appreciated around him, knowing they have someone who will support them at every step. His readiness to provide unwavering support and sincere empathy is a rare and valuable quality that stands out brightly in a tough world, giving women the comfort and strength to tackle life's challenges with bravery and optimism. 3. Being a tough man. In the journey of life, a mature man is like a tree firmly rooted in the ground, enduring even the toughest storms with solid strength. His resilience comes not from avoiding challenges, but from tackling them head-on with bravery and resolve. When obstacles appear, he doesn't give up. Instead, he stands resilient and ready to take on whatever comes his way. Every setback makes him stronger, building his character through tough times. When he reflects on the hard roads he's traveled, he feels thankful for the lessons and growth those experiences brought, rather than feeling bitter or regretful. This resilience inspires everyone around him, reminding them that even in the darkest times, there's always hope ahead. Women find encouragement and a renewed will to keep going in this hope, knowing they have a partner who stays strong and keeps going, no matter how difficult the journey might be. 4. A man who takes responsibility. In the weave of life, a mature man integrates responsibility into his actions carefully and thoroughly. He understands that his choices affect not just himself, but also those around him. As such, he accepts his responsibilities with humility and resolve. He avoids making excuses or blaming others when things go wrong. Instead, he confronts his errors bravely and learns from them. This responsible behavior not only shows his maturity and dependability, but also serves as a motivating example for others. Women see in him a partner they can rely on, confident that he will honor his commitments and handle every situation with integrity. His dedication to responsibility not only fortifies his personal life, but also helps forge strong, enduring relationships built on trust and mutual respect. 5. A man with integrity. In the journey of life, a mature man treats honesty as his guiding star. He is truthful in his words and actions, never twisting the truth for personal gain. This integrity isn't just about telling the truth, but involves being true to his values and promises. When faced with choices, he opts for what is right over what is easy, reinforcing trust in his relationships. This honesty draws others to him, particularly women, who admire his steadfastness and depend on his genuine nature. In a relationship, his partner knows that he is someone who stands by his word, providing a foundation of trust that is both rare and invaluable. 6. A generous man. Alongside his other qualities, a mature man also embodies the spirit of generosity. This isn't limited to giving material gifts, but extends to offering his time, attention, and energy to those in need. He understands the importance of giving without expecting anything in return. His generosity makes him a pillar in his community and a cherished partner. He willingly shares not only what he has, but also what he knows, helping others grow alongside him. This selflessness makes him a beacon of warmth and reliability, creating a deep and lasting impact on the lives of those around him, especially the woman who cherishes his giving nature as a sign of true partnership and love. To sum up, these 6 stoic skills are essential to becoming the man every woman admires. By developing self-discipline, understanding others' feelings, bouncing back from hardships, taking responsibility, and other qualities mentioned, you become not just a better partner, but a fuller version of yourself. Here's a bonus, helpful hint. 7. A man who is charismatic and listens well. Imagine a man who excels in communication, reaching beyond just words to deeply connect and understand. His way of speaking is smooth and easy, filled with genuine care and empathy. He knows that true communication is like a dance, a beautiful back and forth of thoughts, feelings, and wishes. This man has mastered the art of active listening, a skill sharpened by real curiosity and full concentration. When people talk, he doesn't just hear them. He listens with all his heart, catching both the words and the feelings behind them. His eyes show his understanding, providing comfort to those who are tired and recognition to those who feel overlooked. In conversations, he leads with elegance and modesty. He asks questions that make people think deeply, softly drawing out their innermost thoughts. And when it's his turn to talk, he picks his words thoughtfully, each one echoing with insight and kindness. His ability to communicate builds deep connections, creating a network of relationships that go beyond the surface, tying people together with strong emotional bonds. A man who can communicate sincerely and deeply is truly unique in a world where many interactions are brief. In the soothing rhythm of his voice, others find a safe place, feeling that they are truly heard and understood. If this video has sparked your interest and given you fresh insights on how to be a more mature and appealing man, please make your presence felt below. Hit the like button if you think these skills can improve your success in relationships. Subscribe for more content that will aid in your growth in various aspects of life. And don't forget to share your views and experiences in the comments. I'm eager to hear how these skills have impacted you and what other qualities you believe are crucial for a mature man. Thanks for being a part of this journey towards emotional maturity and success in relationships. Until next time.